a microwavable plate, a regular plate, measuring cup, fork, spoon, egg, water, butter, and pancake mix. Pour the pancake mix into the measuring cup until you get 4 ounces, and then pour that into the regular plate. Crack an egg into the regular plate. Pour 2 ounces of water into the measuring cup. Pour the water inside of the regular plate. Start mixing it. Take some butter on a spoon and then rub it into the inside of the microwavable plate. Pour the regular plate inside of the microwavable plate. Set the microwave for 3 minutes. Be careful because the pancake will be hot. Add some syrup.